following the legal opinion issued by the Department of Justice regarding the acceptance of donations from tobacco companies to the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Health advocates expressed dismay over it. Here's my report. Health advocates are denouncing the acceptance of donations from large tobacco companies by government agencies in the country. This reaction comes after a legal opinion issued by the Department of Justice to the Department of Social Welfare and Development stated that there is no violation of Joint Memorandum Circular number 2010-01 in the DSWD's acceptance of a donation from a major tobacco company. Dr. Ulysses Doroteo, Executive Director of the Southeast Asia Tobacco Control Alliance, views the acceptance of donations from tobacco companies as a form of bribery. He believes that these large companies do not give out donations without expecting something in return. According to Doroteo, the tobacco industry is using its influence to loosen regulations in their favor. It can be recalled that the legal age for smoking cigarettes and using electronic vapes was lowered from 21 years old to 18 years old.
Itong mga donations from the tobacco industry are a form of bribery, in our opinion. This is corruption in a very disguised form. If the government is very careful, then it should reject all of these donations because the tobacco industry never does anything for free. May kapalit po yan. No? And what is the kapalit? Hinihingi po nila na maging mas lenient ang batas para sa kanila.
Moreover, health advocates are concerned that if the government allows the acceptance of donations from tobacco companies which are detrimental to the health of youth and many Filipinos, it reflects that the government does not prioritize the health of the youth.
Kapag nakikita po namin ang gobyerno na tumatanggap ng donasyon mula sa industriya, it sends a clear message to us, children and youth, that we are not being prioritized and protected by the government against the harms of tobacco.
Based on the data, 12% of the youths are smokers and 12% are vapers. Parents against vape are deeply concerned about this, as some children as young as 15 or 16 years old are already smoking. Furthermore, the silence of the Department of Health on the DOJ's legal opinion for the DSWD is also alarming. Health advocates are urging the agencies, especially the DSWD, to reject the donation of 3 mobile clinics from the large tobacco company for the agency's disaster response. Meanwhile, based on JMC's 2010-01, government officials and employees are prohibited from soliciting or accepting, directly or indirect, any gift, favor, loan, or anything of value from the tobacco industry while in office. This is to ensure that the office system of any official is not compromised. The DSWD clarified that the DOJ's opinion does not mean that the use of tobacco is being promoted. According to Assistant Secretary Dumlao of the DSWD, they are still adhering to the joint order of the CSC and DOH and to the World Health Organization Framework Convention on Tobacco Control. They will ensure coordination with the CSC and DOH for policy matters. This is Criza Lopez for EuroTV News.